Hi, welcome back to Tony's Reviews. In this video, I'll be showing you ZOTAC Gaming GeForce RTX 5070 Ti honest review. So, the ZOTAC Gaming GeForce RTX 5070 Ti sits right in that sweet spot where strong performance, modern features, and reasonable thermals come together without jumping into ultra expensive flagship territory. Now, it's aimed at people who want smooth, high refresh gaming at 1440p and solid 4K performance while with upscaling. Rather than chasing absolute top end numbers at any cost, in real world gaming, RTX 5070 Ti performs exactly where you'd expect for an upper mid range GPU. At 1440p, most modern AAA games run comfortably at high to ultra settings with smooth frame pacing, even before enabling DLSS. Once DLSS4 and multi-frame generation are turned on, performance drops noticeably, especially in heavier titles with ray tracing. This makes high refresh 1440 gaming feel effortless and allows playable 4K performance in many games when upscaling is used. Now, native 4K without DLSS is still possible in lighter titles, but this card clearly shines most at 1440p and DLSS assisted 4K. Now, ZOTAC's custom design play a big role in how the card behaves day to day. Larger models like the AMP Extreme variants focus on aggressive cooling, and based on user feedback and testing, well, temperatures or what we call the temperature here generally stay well controlled under load, often sitting in the 70s Celsius range during gaming. Fan noise is kept reasonable, and especially on the larger triple fan cards, which is important if the system is used for long gaming sessions or creative work. More compact ZOTAC models still manage accessible thermals, though they tend to run a bit warmer and louder simply due to size constraints. Now, one of the strongest points of the RTX 5070 Ti is its 16GB GDDR7 VRAM, which gives it's a level of future proofing that older cards struggle with. Newer games are increasingly demanding more memory, especially at higher resolution and with high quality textures. The extra VRAM helps prevent sudden performance drops and makes card more comfortable for tasks beyond gaming, like light rendering, AI workloads, or content creating. Now, power efficiency is another improvement in this generation. Compared to older high performance GPUs, the RTX 5070 Ti delivers more frames per watt, meaning less heat output and fewer power related compromises. Most systems with a decent modern power supply can handle it without major upgrades, which adds to its practical appeal. Now, where the value conversation really matters is pricing. Now, when the ZOTAC RTX 5070 Ti is priced clearly below higher tier cards like the RTX 5080. Now, it makes a lot of sense. You're getting most of the game experience people actually care about without paying for performance headroom of that only shows up in niche scenarios. The pricing creeps too close to higher models, though the value gap narrows and alternatives start to look more attractive. Now, overall, the ZOTAC Gaming GeForce RTX 5070 Ti comes across as a well-rounded, high-performance GPU rather than a marketing-driven product. It delivers excellent 1440p gaming, capable of 4K with DLSS, solid thermals, and enough VRAM to stay relevant for years. Now, for gamers upgrading from older mid-range cards or looking for a strong balance of power and efficiency in this year, it's a very sensible choice. And that's about it. So, if you found this video, hit the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.